We're Frantz Locksmith out of West Sacramento. Come on and take a quick tour of my van.
Let's start by cutting a new code key.
You need a lock rekey to your key, or a new key. We can do that. Pull the lock apart.
Residential, commercial, automotive, standard, high security, transponder, whatever you need.
Lock back together. A little hard getting the key in there. There you go. You need a duplicate key? We make duplicate keys. Line the keys up in the chuck, turn on the machine.
Need a new laser key? Need a transponder key program? Not a problem. Call Frantz Locksmith Service 916-534-4900.